I'll give you a short review of Shot.ai. So what is it? It's an AI where you can use AI to make small content for your channel, right? So for example, there's a couple of contents we can make here. For example, for faceless video, we can make Reddit story, fake text, AI story video, we can do split screen, we can also do dialect generator. There's also a couple of other tools like caption generator, video to text to speech, all of these. Now let's just get to the nitty-gritty and try it, right? So for example, I'm going to generate a Reddit story here. So for example, Reddit story. Now we can add a custom script here, right? So for example, there's a Reddit post description, there's a video script as well, and then that's it. Now we need to add in all of these, right? We can import from Reddit or TikTok, or we can add it on our own. So from here, I'm just going to try importing it from my own Reddit here, right? So I can enter in the Reddit link here. I can enter in the Reddit username. I can render in the Reddit post description and also the Reddit post content. So let me just enter in the Reddit link here. For the link, I'm just going to take a post from r/stories. So I'm just going to pick a random one. Let's just say I'm just going to pick this one, my post. I'm going to copy the link here and I'm going to go and paste it here. Now I'm just going to tap on get Reddit post like this, right? Now I'll automatically put it in all in here. Let's just wait for this to load. You can see once it's loaded, it'll all automatically put it in here, right? So it'll enter in the username, the Reddit post description, and also the Reddit post content. Now we can rewrite and optimize with AI. We can put it the Reddit card title if we like, or we can just make it the main content. We can also do the Reddit card character count, and we can also do the video script character count equal to original. So let's just write it to here. And then after all of that is done, we can just tap on use it like here. And you can see just what it will look like. Now let's tap on next. Once it loads, we'll have to pick a background here. So let's just pick one of these Minecraft parkour one and then tap on next. After that, we can select a subtitle template. So we can pick one of these. I'm just going to pick this one. After that, I'm going to pick on next again. Now let's just wait for this to load. After that, we will have to pick a voice. I'm just going to do the default one, which is Britney. And then I'm going to give it the default music as well with the twin types. And then the music volume, I'll keep at 5%. I'm going to keep it on generate video now. Let's just wait for this to generate. It'll usually take a couple of minutes. So let me just cut to when the video is generated. Once it's successfully generating, you'll see that this is what the view preview will look like. You can see it's around 15% now. You can exit if you'd like, but I'm just going to wait here. I'm just going to cut it when it's all done. After the process is done, this is what you will see. I'm going to mute the audio, but I'm going to play it. And you can see that's my Reddit video right there. And you can see that is my Reddit video right there, completely generated by AI with auto caption as well.